Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the theme of your Discord using Nitro. So you're going to select user settings here and you're going to scroll down until you find appearance. You're going to select that. So the ones that you can choose when it's free is only the light and dark theme. But for Nitro you can select these, which is very cute. I really like the forest one and under the sea. I also like these, but it's just I don't like using Discord in like light mode. As you can see, it's just a little bit too bright for me. I wish there was a way to make it a little bit darker, not this bright, but I just basically go with these ones. Here, if you want to see like the colors. And once you're done, you're going to go to appearance and you're also going to want to select this in-app icon, which I like. I like these ones, hollow, pastel, and this ooh one. I like this one the best. And you can also change it in your phone, but you need Nitro. And here it changes the icon here. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.